Bicolored hawk. Deep inside the forest lives a bird that is specialized in killing other birds. The bicolored hawk, as other birds of prey from the Accipter genus, have its diet consisting mainly of smaller birds. From a vantage point high up in the trees, it stays motionless waiting. When the opportunity presents itself, it dashes onto its prey, which is carried to a favorite horizontal branch to be devoured. It may even make the most of domestic chicken and feral pigeons. It also can follow troops of capuchin monkeys to snatch flushed birds and large insects. There are several subspecies, but the main plumage in the adult bird is an overall gray with diagnostics rufous thighs. The eyes are orange and the legs are yellowish. Some juvenile forms can be mistaken by forest falcons because of the black hood and the neck collar. Bicolored hawks are always bigger, and they have a very characteristic voice. The Chilean form can be quite different.
Cleaning the beak.
Thanks for watching, and keep birding.